Okay. We're going back to apartment number 5. Except for not that exact one, because that exact one got sold. So we're going back to the same building. Ella. She was taking a nap.
Do you want to come look at my new apartment with me?
I swear to you, my car hasn't been this clean since I got it. Holy hot. It's like so hot out.
I know.
Dude, you're sweating.
I know, because we were outside at school today for like, we did activities. And you have like a group of seniors and freshmen.
Oh.
And Ella's my group leader.
We can get like something after too.
Starbucks.
Do you like, we can get Starbucks.
Hello you guys, so I have some bad news and I have some good news. The apartment that you guys seem to like the most and the one that I liked the most was apartment number 5. Basically, I scheduled an appointment to look at that one and it wasn't available. So I was like, all right, let's look at different ones. But then when I got there, he told me that the guy who literally like signed the lease, he like found another place and so he wasn't going to be able to move into that apartment. And basically the guy that was showing me the apartment, he was like, I know you really want this one and like we can get this figured out for you if you want to move in. There's a couple other people behind you, but like we need you to move in ASAP and I really want to move in. So basically I'm not going to be able to get the apartment if I don't move in now, and I'm supposed to be going to Haiti, and I was not going to Haiti for vacation. It was actually like a really big video that I wanted to do for a company, not sponsored, but the way I found them was really interesting and I just felt like I really wanted to experience different culture and see what Haiti was like, see how this company is helping the people of Haiti, and just kind of like stand back and observe. But I'm not going to be able to go anymore. I'm really excited for my mom and my sister to experience it, and they're also going to be vlogging. They're gonna have an amazing time there, and then hopefully we can all go back together. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to explain. Now let's go help them pack for Haiti.
So instead of showing the footage of them packing, I wanted to kind of give you guys a background on Goodthreads and why I love them so much. And you guys know that the gap year is about me not only figuring myself out in this year, but also shedding light on people's stories and projects that don't get a lot of attention. So this organization is called Goodthreads and they provide jobs in Haiti. You can buy keychains, belts, and other stuff on their website, which gives back to their organization. And also their whole company mission is to provide employment to parents and especially women who have children in Haiti. So although they are a company, they are a certified B Corp, which means this company meets the highest standards of social and environmental impact. And I really do believe that me promoting them and sharing their message and their story and their purpose with you guys could help so many families out. Goodthreads and the Joan Rose Foundation work together to help families break the cycle of poverty, stabilize the household, and give the children the tools and the education they need to thrive. So many of the students will be the first person in their family to graduate high school and will continue on to college with scholarships that they've created. So now that you heard a little bit about Goodthreads and why I love them and why I think that they deserve our support, here is my mom and Ella's Haiti vlog with Goodthreads.
How many people in Haiti altogether?
They say around 10 million.
What's up? Hi. Hello. That rope is bigger than you. Good job.
So tell me what it's like every day here. What's the day like?
Every day in the morning, early in the morning at 6, we have breakfast for kids. They take the breakfast and go to school, and then 6 hours later, the kids came back to school, and they have a little a food, a solid food for the day. And then when they have finished, we have another part with each teacher. They tell them a story. The story can about God's story, like Sandrian story,
Okay.
Story about Haiti. And then after that, we have Friday. On Friday, we don't have class. Friday, it's like a day, and when we dance, we have a dance class. We have a sing class.
Oh, fun.
And a theater class.
Okay.
So each kid can explore, can explain what they have inside, declare a poem. Another Friday we can go to the beach. It depends what we have to do and all the kids feel.
Right.
So we work. So the school really hard.
And then you go play and have fun.
Yeah, and then if we are
Right.
we just study, so we have to take a break. And in this break, so we can go to the beach.
What's your biggest goal this year? What do you want? The biggest thing you want the kids to learn?
Learning all about the life, empowerment,
Okay.
develop a leadership. Our dream for those kids, for our kids, it's about they can live.
Confidence.
Yeah. Community can growing and growing better, and then we show another Haiti in the future with those kids.
Right.
So it's a good thing.
Yeah.
In the parents' house, this feel like a life,
Right.
and they always told David, you don't know what you do for me. David, you don't know what foundation do for me. I'm really appreciated. So it's like a
Relief.
for parents.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I check them to check on like the designs right and stuff. Our people who can like do it in the shade while they take care of their families can make as much as like if you can do a stocking in a day, you're making 850 good a day. So you're making like almost quadruple or more
To
than
make
triple.
one of those?
Yeah.
Compared one.
She says she didn't need very long. As soon as she saw someone do it, she was able to do it.
Incredibly happy that my mom and Ella got to go for me, and I seriously cannot wait to go back with them and have them show me around. But if you would like to go check them out for yourself, I will leave a link in the description. This is not sponsored, by the way, I just really believe in their company. But yeah, anyways, I can't wait to work with more nonprofits and cool companies. But that was my little intermission. Now let's get back to the apartment tour.
Tomorrow we can start your application process.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay.
Awesome, welcome home.
Thank you. Bye. That is hilarious how that just happened. Oh, he goes, welcome home. Hello, you guys. So, I have been doing everything on the computer today and calling people that is needed to set up my new apartment, and I got like the energy stuff taken care of. I'm gonna sound like an idiot talking about this stuff, but basically all of the stuff that you need before you move into an apartment, like the okay on everything, which is a pain in the butt, and it's like 3 and I feel so lazy because I haven't done anything, but really I've been doing a lot. But anyways, I am about to sign my lease agreement and I'm so excited. Only 15 pages. Don't look at my Birkenstocks. And don't look at the scrunchie in my hair. Holy, that's a lot of signing. Oh my god. This is so weird. Did it sign? Did I do it? Okay, I think I did it. I think I have an apartment now. That's crazy. Well, this is weird. Well, I would like to say none of this would be possible without you watching. So thank you for all your support, all of your love, and thank you for following me along on my journey. And this is gonna be a new journey, but I'm very excited. It's a little scary, but it's not too far from home, so it should be good. I'm adulting now. This is weird. I love how no one's here to like cheer me on. It's just kind of like me and my camera. This is weird. Okay, it's 3:40 right now, and I have to go pick up the keys to the place so I can officially claim it. It's mine. What? What's going on? What? Guys, this is kind of sad. I'm all alone. But I got my apartment. This is weird. I literally live here. So, this is gonna be my room. Oh my god. Bruh. This is my bathroom. Little towel right there. Got the view. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. She's so pretty. I don't even know where to start. What? This is my guest bedroom slash going to be an office. Bro. Okay, the fact that I'm wearing Birkenstocks is kind of ruining the moment. My washer and dryer. This is so weird. Welcome home. I don't really like that I'm alone doing this. This feels weird. Guys, this feels so weird and good. Everyone is saying how they want to come and celebrate with me tonight and come see the place, but like everyone is busy tonight. Everyone has other obligations, but that's okay. The point of tonight was just to get the keys. So I sent all my friends videos. Everyone is just like so happy and so excited, and I'm so excited. Who would have thought that I would have stayed in Grand Rapids and got my own apartment by myself? This is crazy. Welcome home.
Hey, Michigan.
Say Michigan.
Michigan. Michigan.
Michigan.
Right.
Michigan.
Good job. Oh, she crossed it over. Getting fancy. Good job. Oh, backwards. Fancy.